So this video is just to show if the USB is damaged. I got this setup here, and I have a small USB light just to show if I have have any power on the USB strip. First of all, we're gonna see if it's working. I have this router here, which have some USB back here, so I'll put it inside and see if everything is fine with the setup. Okay, as you can see, the USB light's bright, it's very bright indeed. So I remove this and I will put it on the power strip. Let's see what it does. As you can see, nothing. Can you see? It does nothing. Here, for instance, I will try on the down on the low USB, and I will see here if everything works fine. No, nothing here too, and the same goes for the other one. If you can see it, nothing here too. So we don't have power here. Everything else works fine. As you can see, the power, you can see it. It can provide power to the USB out to the power outlets. So no problems here. The only thing is that the USB doesn't have any power. I have another one. USB light. If you want to see that, when it goes in it won't do anything. If I get it and put it on the place I usually have it, I have light, and that's my problem here with this power strip. It's a very beautiful power strip, but if it's not working, it's not working. That's all. Thank you for your time.